In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Deepseek AI on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, I need to navigate to the Deepseek website on Google Chrome. I look at the interface and move my cursor up to the top right corner to click on the three dots icon to open the settings menu. From here, I scroll down and select the Save and Share option. This opens a sub-menu, where I click on Install Page as App. A pop-up window appears prompting me to install this page as an app, showing Deepseek into the unknown. I click on the blue Install button to proceed. The web browser instantly transitions into a standalone desktop application window. Now that it is installed as an app on my Windows system, I click on the search bar area at the bottom that says Message Deepseek. I begin typing my prompt into the field, requesting it to create a beginner's guide to starting a small online business with a limited budget. Once my text is fully entered, I move over to the right side of the box and click the blue arrow button to send the prompt. The application starts generating the response immediately. I can read the text as it populates on screen, detailing a straightforward, actionable guide under $500. It breaks down the response into strategic steps, starting with Phase 1, which focuses on the no-brainer idea for days 1 to 3. This section goes over starting with a problem, utilizing the kitchen table test, the digital rule for digital products, and community validation. Next is Phase 4, covering the $100 marketing machine. It outlines a detailed launch list strategy, a cold direct message strategy, and how to effectively leverage micro-influencers. I keep scrolling to view the remaining sections. Phase 5 details a follow-up funnel process including a lead magnet bribe and a sequential 3-day email campaign strategy. Below that, Phase 6 outlines a $100 heat map advertisement test on TikTok or Pinterest, complete with a budget breakdown and testing rules. Finally, it displays the bootstrapper's budget breakdown chart detailing itemized costs, followed by 3 fatal mistakes to avoid, and concludes with a complete 7-day launch sprint layout. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.